Can you imagine a world where machines possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks as efficiently as a human being? Welcome to the fascinating realm of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. The journey of AGI is a thrilling saga that begins in the mid-20th century. In the 1950s, the seed of AGI was planted with the birth of artificial intelligence, a term coined by John McCarthy. This era saw machines perform simple tasks, marking the advent of AI. The 1960s and 70s were decades of optimism. Researchers aimed high, and the concept of machines emulating human intelligence started to take shape. This period brought us ELIZA, a computer program that could mimic human conversation, albeit in a limited scope. Fast forward to the 1980s and 90s, we witnessed the rise of machine learning. This revolution was spurred by the availability of more data and increased computing power. Machines started learning from data, improving their performance over time. In the first 2 decades of the 21st century, the focus shifted to deep learning and neural networks, taking inspiration from the human brain's structure and function. This marked significant strides towards AGI, with machines getting better at understanding and generating human language, recognizing images, and even playing complex games. Now, in the year 2023, we stand at the cusp of AGI. The machines of today are not just tools, they are becoming partners, collaborators, and co-creators. They can teach themselves, understand complex systems, and solve problems that were once considered the exclusive domain of human intelligence. So, where does this journey lead us? The future of AGI is as exciting as it is uncertain. It holds the promise of breakthroughs in areas like healthcare, climate change, and space exploration. But it also brings challenges and questions around ethics, job displacement, and security. In this video, we traced the timeline of AGI from its inception in the 1950s to the present day. We saw how machines evolved from performing simple tasks to learning from data and emulating the human brain's structure. We also touched upon the potential of AGI and the challenges it poses. Remember, AGI is not just about machines getting smarter, it's about augmenting human intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and shaping a future where humans and machines work together for the betterment of our world. So, as we stand on the brink of this new era, it's worth pondering. Are we ready for the dawn of artificial general intelligence? Only time will tell. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep imagining. Because imagination, after all, is the birthplace of all innovation.